The following tutorial goes over how to create electronic grades for quizzes, create quiz, modify quiz settings, and add randomizing questions set to quiz in the D2L platform. The first thing that you want to do is click on the Assessment tab. From here, select Quizzes and Exams. Now click on the New Quiz button. We'll go ahead and name our quiz. And we want to click on the Add/Edit Questions button. From here, we want to click on the Import button. From the previous tutorial, we added questions to our question library, so we'll click Browse Question Library. Now you'll select the questions that you want to add to the quiz. Click the Import button. From here, you can see the questions that have been saved successfully to your quiz. Now we'll click on the Back to Settings for Week 1 quiz. Under the Properties, make sure to select Shuffle Questions at the quiz level. And here we'll see some other information regarding description and introduction, page header and footer, and some advanced properties. We will click the Save button. Now let's update our quiz restriction settings. To do so, click on the Restrictions tab. From here, you can enter in the availability dates for your quiz. So let's go ahead and select has a start date of starting right now, so immediately, and we'll make the end date in a week at, let's make it 11:30 p.m. The next thing that we want to set is the timing of the quiz. So we want to select a enforced time limit option. Our time limit, we want it to be 90 minutes with a grace period of 5 minutes before flagged as exceeded time. We want to prevent the student from making further changes after the time period has been exceeded. And then finally, if we are happy with our quiz setting preferences and restrictions, we want to click the Save button. Now we want to click on the Assessment tab. From here, we will make sure to select Allow Attempt to be graded immediately upon completion. This is where we can link our graded item to our week 1 quiz. We will allow automatic export to grades. And then for this demo tutorial, we will select Unlimited and click Apply. And we want to average. We want to get an overall grade calculation from the average of all attempts. And then if you are satisfied with your quiz preferences, you will click the Save button. For our last steps, we're going to click on the Submission Views tab. From here, we want to make sure that Show Questions is set to No, which it is. Then let's go ahead and click on the Add Additional View button. We will name this Additional View Week 1 Quiz. From here, we want to view that Show Questions is set to No and that the checkbox Show Attempt Score and Overall Attempt Score is set. This will give the student their overall score and overall attempt score when they complete the quiz. Then we want to go ahead and click on the Save button. And that concludes setting up your quiz with gradebook and quiz settings.